Alright, today I'm be unboxing the Bosch drill, cordless drill. That is the it's a Bosch Professional, and it's a GSB 120-LR, 12 volts. And it's got an extra battery, and that's still a seal on it. It's rather a tough little box, but without any further delays, let's open it. Side. No, don't have to worry about that side. Alright, so let's have a look. Alright, so the Professional GSB 120-LR manual, the battery, and then you have the charger, and you have the additional battery. It's 12 volts. And then you have the additional set of screwdrivers with coupler. And then you have the actual drill. Open it up, you have the door right there. It's got a nice little grip, and as you can see, you have the hammer, and you have the for your steel or wood, and then of course for the screws, and then you have a torque setting up to 20. It's a battery there, and then of course the other one, we still have another little extra bits here. If you look at that, it's basically have your steel bits, masonry bits, and then of course your wood. So it's quite handy to have all these little extras. Yeah, thank you for watching.